What is this then, Patrick?
That would be a very expensive exhaust system.
Who is more excited, the customer or you?
I think me.
I think so too. So, we do two types of exhaust. We do Remus and we do FI. Now, Remus tend to go to sort of R8, 911, and then obviously FI above. We've done the 488, the Aventador, and such, that sort of stuff. So, but there is a bit of a crossover. So you get some C63s, M4s and such. Customer wanted a FI for his C63. This will be louder than the Remus, no doubt. We got it in from FI UK. We are excited to fit it. As you can see, it is a lovely, lovely bit of kit. Complete straight through, so remove the centre boxes with cap back. This will retain the original valve. So as you can see in the FI, you take the original valve controller off of the original exhaust, it'll be fitted to this, so it'll still work for your drive select modes. I'm excited to fit one. Not many people in the UK do them. They've got a good name for themselves. So Patrick will now do some B-roll sexy shots of the exhaust, and then also in this video we will include the before and after once it gets fitted. So we should have some nice footage of it before and after, but let us know what you think. Please comment down below, would you have this or a Remus? Let us know what you think. Cheers. Bye.